Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Deola, and in this Fashion Find episode, I have a lot of dresses from Myntra this time. And trust me, I feel like I've picked all the colors from the rainbow because you will find each and every color in these dresses. And the fact that these dresses are just under rupees 650 only. So I'm actually very excited. I've included a lot of patterns, styles. So without any further delay, let's get started, and I believe you will find your perfect birthday dress in this. So yeah, let's start. So I have a total of 9 dresses, and सारी बहुत डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स की है, एंड मैंने एक दो बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस भी इंक्लूड किए हैं. मैंने फ्लोई ड्रेसेस, लॉन्ग लेंथ, शॉर्ट लेंथ, लाइक आप जो सोच सको मैंने वो सब इंक्लूड किया. ऑल्सो मेरे घर के आसपास देयर इज अ कंस्ट्रक्शन गोइंग ऑन, सो यू विल हियर अ लॉट ऑफ थक थक खट खट, सो जस्ट बेयर विद मी एंड आई विल ट्राई टू एडिट दैट आउट as much as possible. Now also I know you will love this dress so much because I love this dress, and I am giving another special mention to this dress. दो मैंने इसके लिए एक अच्छी पूरी वीडियो की हुई है. This is from Meesho actually, and this is just for rupees 150 only. So yes, this is just so good. I will make sure to link this also in the description box below. Now let's start with the dresses. So firstly, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So this feels really pretty. So I've played a lot around with colors this time. So you will see a lot of colors, and yeah, this is another playful color. This is such a bubbly sort of a color. इसमें blue है, green है, pink, red, yellow. आप जो सोच सको इसमें सारे colors हैं. And it has a different sort of pattern. इसमें ये बैंडो है जिसमें वो elastic वाली fitting है, plus ये पूरा frills है इसमें, and you also get a belt to tie it around your waist. Okay, so yeah, to tie it around your waist. इसकी sleeve पे भी थोड़ा बहुत frills वगैरह है. So let's put this on. I'm really excited. This is what our first dress looks like. I love the color. First of all, it's very bubbly, very playful, kind of very joyous kind of a color. I really like that, and इसमें again very frills है. And just look at the skirt. It's like very very lightweight and very flowy. Also इसके नीचे एक layering of a cloth है, तो जिससे transparent नहीं होगा ये बिल्कुल भी. तो you can feel comfortable in this. Now talking about the top half, for some reason the fitting is not right at all. I don't know why. I mean, it's really loose, and the straps are also loose on me. So I have tightened the straps as much as possible, but again it's not the right fit, I feel. But and it's not looking as flattering on me as it was on the model that I saw. So I'm not really sure about this, but I feel if you are taller than me, could be the height issue or could be the size issue also. So yeah, I feel it's a really cute fit, and you can consider wearing this on birthdays or even maybe on girls' day out. If you have a short trip planned, you can again consider wearing this. It has this V kind of a neck, and just because I said कि size का problem हो सकता है, तो it's a little more deep than it should be. ये इतना होना चाहिए था, like I told you, it's just the size issue as well. So yeah, I'm not really happy with this, but I like the quality, I like the stuff as well, and I bought this from a brand called Dressberry. Dressberry is again a very nice brand. I love buying things from Dressberry because वो भी सब कुछ बनाते हैं, and most of the things are actually very good quality. And talking about this is actually so good quality. It's very lightweight. You can see that how lightweight this is. So yeah, you can consider this. Now talking about the size and the price, I bought this in size XS. It does not fit me, and I bought this just for rupees 519 rupees, and I feel 519 के लिए it's a really good purchase because काफी अच्छी डील है. 500 रुपए में इतनी अच्छी ड्रेस मिलना, it's such a task. So yeah, I'm really happy. Now let's move on to our next one. Okay, moving on. I see this dress now. This is again such a cute color combination. It has white, it has purple, red, and a little bit of brown. और ये काफी like, look at this. This has a lot of frills already, and so that attracted me the most. And it is going to be alternate. तो इसको मुझे इसे tie करना पड़ेगा. It's going to be backless as well. So I'm really excited. So let's put this on. This is what our next dress looks like. Honestly, this is more of my style. I love the fitting. I love how it looks. It is so flattering. It is just like so fancy. I feel like just doing this only. It's just a lot of things happening in this dress now. It has a lot of frills, a lot of ruffles all over. It has this E-line kind of a cut. So I really like that as well. So यहाँ पे भी एक different sort of cutout सा लग रहा है ये. I mean, I love this dress so much. And the lovely part about this dress that you have this thingy that you have to tie around your neck, and it is backless. So I mean, it's just too good. And just look at the color. It's looking really sexy. It's looking really girly as well, and I'm loving the combination of this pinkish reddish kind of a color with the purple color. I really like this dress. Only if I had birthday twice in a year, I would be wearing this as my birthday dress because I love it so much. Now talking about the quality, price and the size as well. Now firstly I got this dress from a brand called Stylecast, and they I believe have collaborated with Hershey Box, which is another brand, and the size is XS, fits amazingly. As you can see, this is a bodycon dress and I'm loving it so much. Also I forgot to mention that it has a zip on the side for you to slide into this dress, which makes it even more easy to slip into the dress. And I got this dress just for rupees 670 rupees only. Again, way too good for this dress because I love it so much. Again, I'm going to recommend you guys get your hands on this if you have your birthdays upcoming, some party someday. This is just perfect, and you will get a lot of compliments, I'm 100% sure. So now let's move on to our next one. Okay, so moving on, I am going to pick this dress. So black include करना is mandatory. No matter मैं dresses कर रही हूँ, tops कर रही हूँ, t-shirt, jeans, whatever. Black is a mandatory color. It has to be included. So I've included this dress which has a lot of cherries on it. Apparently cherries and bows are trending a lot. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. This is going to be a really flowy, cutesy dress. So let's put this on. This is what our next dress looks like. I am loving the combination of black with these cherries. काफी ज़्यादा खिल के आ रहा है, and it's popping out really well actually. And I love how simple, plain it is, but it's really cute, really girly, and you can style it again in a lot of ways. Throw a jacket on top, maybe a cardigan on top, and yeah, style it in a lot of many ways. And I love the versatility. I love the color, and I actually love the quality so much. It's a very good quality material, and I can feel how soft and shiny it is also. So I really like it overall. Now it has adjustable straps given here, तो आप अपनी height के according, अपनी preferred length के according you can adjust it, which I really appreciate. And yeah, this is how it fits on me. It looks really cute, and just like I mentioned, आप इसको बहुत different styles में style करने के लिए consider कर सकते हो. Now I got this from a brand called Very Lush. Again another brand that I shop a lot from because काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी इनकी क्वालिटी होती है और डिज़ाइंस भी काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. So I really like it how firstly this dress is really simple, but again it's not too simple. आप इसको बहुत सारी जगह पहन भी सकते हो, like if you are going out for a quick grocery run, for girlies day out, for a normal shopping spree, you can just consider wearing this anytime. And ज़्यादा efforts भी नहीं डालने पड़ेंगे. You don't really have to wear some jewelry or do anything. Maybe add your sneakers, you are good to go. Add your heels, and it will become more of a fancy fit. So yeah, I really like it. Now talking about the size and the price, well, I got this in size XS and it fits perfectly, as you can see. Also, I bought this dress just for rupees 477 rupees only, even below 500. So I really appreciate the price, and the quality is just too good. And yeah, you can just get your hands on this. This is actually really good quality. Now let's move on to our next one. Okay, so moving on, we have this dress. Again, I am firstly in love with the color. It's very bright and it's perfect for the spring, rainy kind of a season, for the after late summer season. I am loving this, and it has this really premium quality material. So I'm actually very excited. It's going to be one shoulder dress. So let's put this on. This is what our next dress looks like. This is one shoulder. I love the color so much. It is looking so damn good. ये मेरे features को काफ़ी enhance कर रहा है. My face looks very brightened up. I love the color so much. I love the quality as well. I said it before. जब मैंने इसको touch भी किया था, I realized it's a very premium quality kind of a material. So I'm really impressed with the quality, and it is ankle length. If you can see, I really like कि इसकी decent length है, तो आप इसके साथ heels, sneakers, किसी के साथ भी इसको आप पहन सकते हो. And if you are considering any vacation, maybe on the beach or maybe to some city, some cultured city, just wear this. I mean, I love this so much. If you are considering any international trip now, get your hands on this because this is not only cheap, but it's looking really good. Like, just look at the color. It has a lot of pink and red, some sort of like a bright red. So I really like the color as well, and I'm really loving the quality. It's looking very good even from afar. So yeah, get your hands on this. And also I will recommend using a clothing tape just to avoid any malfunction in your dress. So yeah, so that you can walk freely and comfortably in this dress. Now talking about the size and the price. Firstly, I got this from a brand called Sleek, and I'm highly impressed. I've tried this brand for the first time, and hands down I love this so much, quality wise and performance wise as well, and it's fitting perfectly. Also the price and the size, I bought this in size XS, fits amazingly as you can see, and this was priced at I believe 574 rupees only. Let me just check. Okay, this was priced at 539 rupees only, which is just perfect. I love this dress so much, and I feel 539 rupees के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा cheap है, because ये actually बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छी quality का. I love it so much. Get your hands on this. Also, मैंने अभी तक 3 dresses के लिए बोल दिया, get your hands on this. Now let's move on to our next one. Okay, so moving on, we are left with I believe 3-4 dresses only, and I can see this dress again. It has a lot of neon kind of colors, and it's a long length dress. Okay, you know what? Let's do this one. So this is kind of similar to the one to the first one that we wore, बस इसमें ये sleeve थोड़ी ज़्यादा और elaborated और long है, and other than that the pattern is almost the same. And yeah, let's just put this on. I'm really excited. I hope it fits perfectly on me. This is what our next dress looks like. I don't think it's Dressberry's day. This dress is again from Dressberry, and for some reason it is again so unflattering. And the sleeve, there is something off about the sleeve. Why does it feel like a shield on my shoulder? I'm not really happy with the fitting as well. It's very loose. Like, look at the sleeve. Can you just look at this? Look at the gap, and it's falling off. It feels like an extra sleeve has been attached to my here on my shoulder. I'm not really happy with the fitting again. So these two dresses are a big no. For some reason I don't like this as well. I'm not really happy with Dressberry. By the way, I'm still gonna say the price as well. So I got this from a brand called Dressberry, told you already, in size XS. Doesn't fit properly as you can see, and I bought this for rupees 539 rupees only. But again, not happy with this. So let's move on to our next one. So moving on, we are left with 1, 2, 3 and 4 dresses. So I'm gonna try this dress first. So this seems very different to me. I love the pattern. It reminds me of something, but I cannot really remember what it is. But I really like the pattern. I love the color combination as well. It's different actually. So yeah, let's put this on, and the quality is really good. I can literally feel the stuff. It's very good quality material. So let's put this on. This is what our next dress looks like. Like, it's too good. So firstly, this is the length of the dress. I hope you can see this, and I love the fitting so much. Just look at this. Just look at the fit. It's hugging my body perfectly. I love the quality of the stuff as well. It's very flowy, lightweight, and very soft kind of a material. And I love the fitting. It's too good. I wonder how I have never tried anything from this brand. So this is again from Stylecast X Hershey Box, and I'm absolutely in love because not only the quality, the fitting, but I mean overall everything is just too good. I've tried 2 dresses from them, and so far I'm really impressed. Like, literally I have said wow both the time. So I am really impressed with the quality. Now it has this chain on the side, so you can slip into the dress easily. Also, you are given these adjustable straps, which you can adjust according to your height and your length. Now talking about this dress, this is really flowy. It's fitted till my waist area, and then it's kind of a little bit loose. Again, you can consider wearing this on some birthday occasion, some party, some fest, or if you are planning some vacation, you can just wear this then. So I really like it overall. And talking about the size and the price, I bought this in size XS. Fits perfectly as you can see. And okay, this dress is priced at rupees 674 rupees, and I love it so much. I believe this is just worth it. For 674 rupees, I will pay literally 1000 rupees for this dress because it's just too good. I love how the colors are complementing each other, and I mean, you cannot really think of such color combination, but to my surprise, it looks really good. So I'm gonna say it again. Get your hands on this. Okay, there are like 2-3 dresses I'm genuinely recommending you guys. So if you are looking for some birthday dress or something really fancy, and if you want a lot of compliments, get this and this one. It's actually too good. And if you are looking for something like more casual or day-to-day daily kind of a dress, so this is the dress that you can look up to. So yeah, these are the dresses so far I'm going to recommend. Now let's move on to our next one. Moving on, firstly I want to say I can't believe I wore this dress throughout the video, and I just realized that there was a sticker on here, and I just feel like a fool. I made the whole video and I'm not reshooting it. So yeah, now let's move on to our next one. So I'm gonna go with this black one. So I've included 2 different black dresses, and this seems super classic because this has this sort of a tube, what else you can say, a kind of a stitch that separates the upper body and the lower body. So I really like this. So let's put this on. Again, the quality seems really good. This is what our next dress looks like. Again, I'm very impressed. Now to my surprise, this is from Dressberry, and I am actually impressed with the quality, with the design and the fit as well. Though I believe that's just because the dresses, not the brand, but because I've tried a lot of things from Dressberry and they are not always disappointing. So I am finally relieved that I got something really good out of them. So yeah, this is the dress and I'm loving this so much. I told you the quality is really good. Just look at the fitting as well. It's like so good. It's hugging each and every curve and justifying it really perfectly, and it looks really seamless. I love this design. Told you I am really liking it so much. And again, it has this adjustable strap thing, so you can adjust it according to your length and whatever preference you want. And yeah, you can consider buying this for your birthday because this is a really nice dress. Looks really flattering and black है तो black किसी भी occasion में, हर season में, हर festival पे हमेशा चल जाता है. So like I am really loving this. This is simple but it's not too simple. It has something which is this design जिसकी वजह से काफ़ी उठ के आ रहा है. It's looking so good. So yeah, you must get your hands on this again. And yeah, if you have a date as well, you can also consider wearing this as well because I really like it overall. So yeah, you can also again style it in a lot of ways. Throw a jacket on top, a denim jacket, maybe a white shirt would go on this, or if you can also throw a cardigan on top or hoodie on top. So like a lot of things can be done with this dress. So I really like it. Now talking about the brand, got this from Dressberry and I'm loving it so much. And I bought this in size XS. It fits perfectly as you can see, and also I bought this dress just for rupees 404, which is like so shocking. Like 400 रुपए में इतनी अच्छी dress. It's just a steal deal. Love it from the price point. So yeah, now let's move on to our next one. So we are still left with two dresses and I'm already tired, but I'm gonna do it anyway, obviously. So this is the dress I'm gonna go with. So we are left with this one and we also have this another dress, but I'm gonna go with this one first. So let's put this on. It's a long kind of a dress. It has a tail actually, and ये dress की length जो है वो actually वो इतनी ही है यहाँ तक. So yeah, let's put this on. This is what our next dress looks like. Honestly, इसको पहनने में मुझे काफी टाइम लगा because it has two dresses actually which are attached. So it's kind of a little complicated. Now, firstly, this dress is really long for me. I am short, but this dress is way too long for me, I feel. But yeah, I'm gonna just explain how this dress is. So firstly, ये जो है ये it is another layer upon this dress. So ये properly यहाँ से हट सकता है and it has this button right here, and it's you can see how loose this dress is on me. So I'm actually not really happy with the fitting as well. Only if it was like this fitted, maybe I would have considered it, but like it's loose also. Long है तो वो तो alter हो जाएगा, but like it's way too loose to get this fitted by a tailor, so not really possible. So yeah, so this is first thing. तो अगर ये मैं इसको open कर दूँगी तो ये हट सकता है. Now this is another dress in this, which is the short one. ये जो बाहर का है, it's layered. It's the layer on top and ये यहाँ से attached है तो आप इसको remove नहीं कर सकते हो. But yeah, now this is the layer and the dress is this. जो जिसका टॉप ये है, but इसमें नीचे ये कपड़ा लगाया हुआ है lining, so that ये ट्रांसी ना हो. And then now talking about the dress inside, ये adjust हो सकती है. इसमें adjustable straps लगी हुई है, so it's really easy to adjust according to the length. But this is not my correct size actually. I bought this in size S and I bought this from a brand called Safras. So fitting में तो I'm not really happy, but I love this brand so much. I have a lot of dresses from this brand and the quality, the performance, the fitting is just way too good. I bought the wrong size, it's my fault. But again, if I talk about this is a really good quality stuff again. And I'm impressed with the whole design. It's really different. I can wear this on some beach kind of a vacation. So yeah, if you have also planned some staycation, you can just play around with colors, and if you enjoy that, so you can just buy this dress. Also, I bought this dress just for rupees 534 only. So yeah, I like it from the price point. I wish I bought the correct size. It's just my fault. But yeah, now let's move on to our last and final dress, which is this one. So this is a tennis kind of a dress, and this is in the neon pink orange sort of color, peach color. Yeah, peach is the right color. So yeah, this is the dress. So let's put this on. This is our last and final dress, and this is how it looks. I really like the color as well. I don't know, I'm sort of someone who loves to play around with colors and see what suits me. I love to explore and experiment with colors. So this is me, and that's a suggestion from me. Just do try and get out of your comfort zone, try different colors. and different patterns as well, and also include them in your wardrobe just to make it more functional, and so whenever you wear something you look different, not just the same. So yeah, that's just a little tip and a suggestion. Now talking about this dress, I love the fitting. I got this from a brand called Tokyo Talkies, again another brand which makes everything, and most of the things are actually good. So yeah, this is another one. I really like it. The fitting is again really good. The stuff I would say is not the best, a little thick for the summer season, but I don't mind wearing this anyways because I really like it. It's looking really cute. Also, you will see a lot of such dresses on H&M because there are so much variety available in H&M in tennis dresses. So yeah, I really like it. So it's not really fitted, so walk करने में it's easy, but it's not that easy कि आप like बहुत ज़्यादा भाग रहे हो दौड़ रहे हो. It's not that comfortable, but yes, it has a gap. It's not just bodycon fitted वाली dress. So yeah, it's comfortable comparatively to walk in this, and also it has these buttons, which I feel is useless if you are into like tucking it till here. Just do that. I feel कि इतना length इसका काफ़ी है. It's not really deep, and बिल्कुल uncomfortable feel नहीं होगा इसमें आपको. And yeah, talking about the size and price, I bought this in size XS, fits amazingly. I love the fitting as well. And I bought this just for rupees 307 only. To my surprise, 300 रुपये में भी मैंने कोई dress खरीदी है, which is amazing. And I got all these from Myntra under rupees 650, which is like really shocking for me. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and found something for yourself. Because if you did, I'm really happy. Dresses तो मुझे वैसे ही personally बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I'm someone who loves to wear dresses over anything else because ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने नहीं पड़ता, because it's an outfit in itself. And आपको बस jewelry वगैरह और accessories pick करनी होती है, which is very easy to work with a dress. So I am a dress person actually. Now yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle kritika_. Essentially, I'm a fashion content creator, and I post religiously on my Instagram around fashion tips, tricks, inspiration, styling tips. Again, also get ready with me. So I post a lot of things around fashion. So if you are into fashion as much as I am, you must follow me there. Until then,